In this lesson, I will show you how we can create sketches in Solidworks. Sketches are 2D profiles. To create a new sketch in Solidworks, I have to create a new part document first. So I will click on the new icon from the Quick Access toolbar, I will select the part type and click OK. Once the new part document has been created, I will go to the Sketch ribbon and click on the sketch icon. Notice that in the drawing area, the three basic planes appear: the top plane, the front plane, and the right plane. You can click to select the plane on which you want to sketch. In this example, I will select the top plane. Now I will create a random profile using the Line tool. I will activate the Line tool and I will click once to specify the first point of the line. Next, I will keep clicking until I create the desired profile. Once I have created the profile, I will click on the Exit Sketch icon to exit the sketch. Notice that the sketch appeared in the Feature Manager design tree on the left. If I want to edit the sketch, all I have to do is click on its name and select Edit Sketch. In this way, I can edit the profile that exists in this sketch. Now, if I click on the Close icon, I can exit the sketch without saving the changes I made. Now, to create another sketch, I will activate the Sketch tool again. Once I activated the tool, the Property Manager palette activated. In the Properties palette appears a message that urges me to select a plane to create a sketch on or select an existing sketch. If I click on the existing sketch, I will just edit the existing sketch. I will activate the Feature Manager Design Tree palette and I will select the top plane to sketch on it. I will create a random circle and I will exit the sketch. Notice that in the Feature Manager Design Tree palette, two sketches appear. If you want to delete a sketch, all you have to do is select it and press the Delete key from your keyboard. In the message that appears, you have to confirm delete to delete the sketch, so you have to select Yes. If you want to restore the sketch, then you can undo by clicking Ctrl+Z. If you don't want to delete a sketch, but only hide it, then you can just click on the sketch's name and select Hide. You can also rename the sketch if you click once on the sketch's name and type the new name. In the next lessons, we will elaborate on the sketch tools and I will show you how you can create several different profiles in Solidworks.